Today we're going to do a girl penguin. So the first thing we're going to do is have to figure out how large we want the penguin to be. And we're going to start out with, this is a very simple drawing. So we're just going to do a line down here. And then we're going to take the line and we're going to do a loop up and back around. I think I want to do her beak first. So we're going to do an oval right here in the middle. And she's going to be smiling. And she's got to be able to breathe. So you're going to put 2 little nostrils in there. And then we're going to start in the middle of this nostril. And we're going to pull a curved line down. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to put her eyes in, which are, I'm going to give her some really big eyes like that. And then we're going to do these other circles for her eyeballs so she can see where she's going. And then loops inside. And then we're going to color this in like that. And then, let's see, she's got to have feet. For the penguin's feet, we're going to create an upside down U, one on each side, and then we're going to finish it off with a line at the bottom. And then we got to put her wings in. So her wings, you have to think about where the wings are. Her face is up here, so maybe her wings are a little bit lower. So we're going to start a little bit lower, and we're going to pull down and bring it back up. And do the same thing on the other side. Pull down and back up. And I thought to show that she is a girl, we could put a bow in her hair. Alright, so let's put a bow in her hair. You're going to start out with a square. And then we're going to pull, you're going to do a loop up here and then a loop up over here. Then we're going to do, you're going to take this and you weave around like that. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. It's a curve. Bows are made from ribbon, so we are going to draw the rest of the ribbon hanging down. You go out and make a V and then come back around. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And she has a big bow in her hair. So the other thing we're going to do is we're going to have her sitting, she's going to be on an iceberg. This is just a wavy line that goes around like that. And then you're going to do another one exactly the same way as that one. You're going to follow it around just like that. And then we're going to put some lines in it. And then we're going to also color it so then it looks like it has shadow. So okay, so here's the basic drawing, and now we're going to color. How do you want to color her? First of all, she's black and white, right? So she's black and white because all penguins are black and white. So we are going to go in here and color the black and white part, which is all of this. Now remember, if I'm going too fast, pause the video and then catch up and then come back. That's what's so great about YouTube, right? You can pause the video and catch up. Oh my gosh, she's going to be so cute. Look at this. Look at this girl. Okay, let's see. How do we want to decorate her bow? Kind of want her to have a pink bow. You know, I haven't even colored her eyes. What color do we want her eyes to be? So I have a piece of paper over here where I scribble to see if that's the color that I want before I actually put it on the page. Now, I have a bunch of markers here, They are, you know, the Crayola brand markers, but, you know, I also have these other markers. I kind of go back and forth which ones I'm using. But let's give her these kind of green-blue eyes, greenish-bluish eyes, like that. And then we also have to color her feet. I don't know if I want orange or yellow. How about we do yellow feet? Her beak is going to be yellow. And then we're going to match that with her feet. Like that. And I thought it'd be fun for her to have a pink bow. Trying to find the right pink. That's too light. Okay, maybe I'll just use this pink. But maybe we actually make it striped or something. Let's see, how do I do that? Let's see. If we make it striped, that might be fun.
Don't miss another video. Subscribe today.
She's so cute. This is fun. Okay. And you try to make the white and the pink about the same width when you draw the pink and the white stripes. She's so cute. Oh, goodness. Alright, so another thing that I want to do is I'm going to put some shading in here. So I'm going to put shading down here also. I'm going to start up here. This is going to be darker because it's in the background. Ooh, that's darker than I thought it was going to be. And then I'm going to put a little bit of shading around. Like that. Okay, and then we're going to do shading down here. So it looks like she looks like she's standing on something. Maybe even under her feet. So she looks like she's standing on something instead of floating in air. And then let's do the water.
For the water, I'm going to use or start out with the same color that I use for her eyes, so then the overall picture will have color harmony.
Make sure that's still... Alright, so I'm going to go in here and color the water. And with your markers, you could do waves. So it looks like there's waves. I don't know. It's up to you. These markers, just to let you know what I'm doing here, these markers bleed through to the next page. So that's why I have more than one page. It keeps my area cleaner when I'm working. So that's why I have another page underneath. She's so cute. Okay, here is our girl penguin with a big bow in her hair. I hope you enjoyed all this. Come back to see me. Next week we'll do another penguin. I'm not sure which one we're going to do next week, but next week we'll do another penguin because this is Penguin Month.